Good morning, students. Class 6. Welcome to the Maths class. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 6. Continuation of Exercise 6.1. Third sum. In the following magic triangle, arrange the numbers from 1 to 6 so that you get the same sum on all its sides. They given a magic triangle. We want to arrange the numbers from 1 to 6. Solution. Step 1. They given a magic triangle. Complete the corners with smaller numbers 1, 2 and 3. Step 2. The side having smallest numbers 1 and 2 are to be filled with the greatest number 6. The smaller number 1 and 2 side to be filled with the greatest number 6. Next, the second smallest side 1 and 3 to be filled with the second largest number 5. Remaining number 4. The magic sum is 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 9. Some other ways are given below. These are the possible ways. Fourth question. Using the numbers from 1 to 9. First one, can you form a magic triangle? Second one, how many magic triangles can be formed? Third one, what are the sums of the sides of the magic triangle? 1 to 9. First step, complete the corner in smallest number. What are the smallest number here? 1, 2, 3. Balance 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We want to pair the numbers. 4 plus 9, 13. 5 plus 8, 13. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. The sum is 17. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Next possible way, we want to complete the corner in greatest number. What are the greatest number? 7, 8, 9. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pair the numbers. 1, 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. The sum is 23. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. These are the possible ways. The sum is 19. The sum is 20. The sum is 21. These are the possible ways. How many possible ways are there? 5 possible ways. Solution. Can you form a magic triangle? Yes, we can form a magic triangle. Second question. How many magic triangles? 5 magic triangles. What are the sums? The sums are 17, 19, 20, 21, 23. Can you understand, students? Next question. Fifth one. Arrange the odd numbers from 1 to 17 without repetition to get a sum of 30 on each side of the magic triangle. This is the given magic triangle. Solution. The odd numbers between 1 to 17 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. These are the odd numbers. First step, place the smaller number. What are the smaller number? 1, 3, 5 on the corners. Step 2. Arrange the another set of smaller number 7, 9, 11 on each side. Step 3. Arrange the remaining numbers 13, 15 and 17 to give the total 30. We want to arrange. First, 5 plus 9 plus 3, 17. 1 plus 11 plus 3, 15. 1 plus 7 plus 5, 13. The total number they given 30. 30 minus 17, 13. We want to write 13 on that line. Next, 30 minus 15 is equal to 15. We want to write 15 in that line. Next, 30 minus 13, 17. Can you understand? Magic sum is 30. Next sum, sixth one. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the circle, so that each straight line of 3 numbers add up to the same total. They given a circle diagram. Solution. We know that 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, placing 7 at the center. And the pairs 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4 at the opposite ends. We get the answer. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Can you understand? Seventh sum. Place the number 1 to 12 in the 12 circles so that the sum of the numbers in each of the 6 lines of the star is 26. Use each number from 1 to 12 exactly once. Find more possible ways. This is a given star. Solution. The given star can be viewed as two magical triangular. Okay. First, 1 to 12. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 10, 12. Same like here. 6 plus 2, 8. 10 plus 1, 11. 3 plus 4, 7. Can you understand? Now the required arrangement is 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. Can you understand? Eighth question. How many triangles are there in each of the following figures? The single portions A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are 8 triangles. Taking the combination of 2, EF, FG, GH, EH or 4 triangles. There are 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 triangles. Smaller portions A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 triangles. Combining 2 at a time, B and C, D and E, F and G, A and H are 4 triangles. Taking 4 at a time, combinations of B, C, D and E, D, E, F and G, F, G, H and A, H, A, B, C are 4 triangles. Total triangles 8 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16 triangles. Next sum. Every part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P are 16 triangles. Combining 2 at a time, A and B, B and C, C and D, D and A, J and K, L, M, N, O, P, I are 8 triangles. Taking the combination of 4, we have I, J, H and B, P, C, G and O, D, F, N and M, A, E, L and K are 4 triangles. Taking 8 parts together, we have Q R S, R S T, S T U and T Q R are 4 triangles. Total triangles 16 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 32 triangles. Next sum. Taking smaller triangles, we have AFB, BFG, BGC, CGH, HCD, DHI, DIE, EIJ, EJA and AJF are 10 triangles. Taking the combination of 2, CGD, CID, DIE, EIA, EFA, AGB, AJB, BHC and BFC are 10 triangles. Combining 3 at a time, we have CED, DAE, EBA, ACB, BDC, CEF, DBJ, GDA, EBH, ACI are 10 triangles. Other triangles are BCE, CAD, DBE, ADB and CAE are 5 triangles. Total 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 35 triangles. 9th sum. Find the number of dots in the 10th figure of the following patterns. First figure 1 dot. Second figure 3 dots. Third figure 6 dots. Fourth figure 10 dots. Fifth figure 15 dots. First figure 1. Second 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Third figure 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Fourth figure 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Fifth figure 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. See the second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continuously coming. Okay, we want to find out what is the sixth figure. Sixth figure will be 15 plus after 5 6 is equal to 21. Seventh figure will be 21 plus after 6 7 is equal to 28. Eighth figure will be 28 plus after 7 8 is equal to 36. Ninth figure will be 36 plus after 8 9 is equal to 45. Tenth figure will be 45 plus after 9 10 is equal to 55. Number of dots in the 10th figure is equal to 55 dots. Next one. First figure 1 dot, second figure 4 dot, third figure 9 dot, fourth figure 16 dot, fifth figure 25 dots. First figure 1 into 1, 1. Second figure 2 into 2, 4. Third figure 3 into 3, 9. Fourth figure 4 into 4, 16. Fifth figure 5 into 5, 25. What is the next figure? Sixth figure. Sixth figure will be 6 into 6, 36. Seventh figure will be 7 into 7, 49. Eighth figure will be 8 into 8, 64. Ninth figure will be 9 into 9, 81. Tenth figure will be 10 into 10, 100. The number of dots in the 10th figure is equal to 10 into 10, 100. 10th sum. First figure they given 2 dots. Next 2 dots down, 3 dots. Third figure first 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots. First question. Draw the next pattern. Prepare a table for the number of dots used for each pattern. Third one. Explain the pattern. Fourth one. Find the number of dots in the 25th pattern. Solution. Next pattern. First 2 dots, after down 3 dots, after down 4 dots. What is the next pattern? Down 4 after 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Prepare for a number of dots. Prepare a table for the number of dots used for each pattern. Draw a table, pattern, number of dots. First pattern, second pattern, third pattern, fourth pattern. First number of dots 2, after 5, after 9, after 14. Third question, explain the pattern. Same table, 2. 5, how the 5 will come? 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 14. Find the number of dots in the 25th pattern. First pattern 2, second 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 3 plus 4 9, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 14, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 20, next 27, 35, 44, 54, 65, 77. Next 12th pattern is 90, 104, 119, 135, 152, 170, 189, 209, 230, 252, 275, 299, 324, 350. 25th pattern is 350. Then the number of dots in the 25th figure is 350. 11th sum. Count the number of squares in each of the following figures. The first figure they given. First figure, smaller squares. In one big square, a smaller square, 4 squares is there. So 4 into 4, 16 squares. Smaller square, 16 squares. As a whole, bigger square, 4. Total square, 16 plus 4, 20 squares. Second sum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9 one. 10, 10th square. As we see in the figure, in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Also, we have 9 and 10. These are 2 big squares. Outer square 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 4 square. Totally 4 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 squares. 12th question. How many circles are there in a following figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally there are 7 circles are there. 13th one. Find the minimum number of straight lines used in forming the following figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 5 horizontal lines and 5 vertical lines. Total of 10 straight lines minimum needed. Next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 straight lines used, which is minimum. Study well. Don't waste your time. If you have any doubt, ask to your concerned teachers. Thank you, students.